Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable data saver on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Did you know TikTok has a data saver feature? When you turn this feature on, the TikTok application will use less cellular data when you're not connected to Wi-Fi. Especially, you may see videos at a lower resolution and they may take longer to load. In this video, I will show you how to turn this feature on. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can tap on your profile on the bottom right here. Tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. Now you can scroll down to content and display sections and change and cellular. There is an option data saver. You can tap on that here. The toggle is inactive. You can activate this feature by tap on the toggle here until this turn into blue. So your data saver is active. It can reduce your data consumption when using cellular data. Videos may be at a lower resolution or take longer to load. This won't apply when you are on Wi-Fi. So that is how to turn on data saver on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!